Hi friend and techies, welcome to UAX Talks. This is about HCL, react.js real interview questions for 5 to 10 years experienced. HR questions. First question is tell about yourself. So we need to explore our career experiences here. Second one is why we hire you. So the way we get hired. So what are our specialties? What are the technologies we are aware of? How we work? All those things we need to explain here. Third one is a person who started his career in a project has been tenure in the same project for 10 years. So 10 years he's been working in the same project, and now then team thought of making him as a project manager. Is it a correct decision? Explain your point of view. So based on the product experience, based on the product's knowledge, based on the client's exposure over there, and the technology's knowledge, and the good communication with the client. So all those things we can consider this as a good choice. JD. So JD compromises of in-depth knowledge of JavaScript, CSS, HTML, and front-end tech languages. So the specific knowledge of React and React tools, including React.js, Webpack, Enzyme, Redux, and Flux knowledge they're expecting. And the third one is experience with the user interface design. Project discussion section. So this is like first question is explain your current project. So you need to explain your current project. Second one is how you handle modules individually. So you need to emphasize how you individually handled modules, how many modules you individually handled, like that. Third one is what are the pre-preparation needed before designing a project. So what are the things we need to collect from the client that's they are asking. Fourth one is have you any design tools like Red? So you can use SketchUp, Pencil, or any other tools for designing the applications, or else rapid application development IBM tools we can use. So based on that they are asking those questions. Next one is what are the best ways to gather requirements from clients. So clearly we need to get precise knowledge of that document, and we need to go through the document clearly, and we need to specifically mention what are the things we need to ask for the client before going on for designing a project and implementing the code. So those things we need to explain here. Front-end React technology questions. So there are totally 5 questions. First one is React query. Second one is parent and child communication. Third one is Axios. Fourth one is props and state. Fifth one is map. So we need to write and explain with examples. The React query is mainly used for fetching data from the REST API calls, and parent and child component communication. We have the state and props to communicate over the data. So how this parent and child component usually communicates in React, we need to explain. Third one is Axios. Axios is also for data fetching only. Props and states are the data which is used for storing the data in state, and props is for communicating the data with the child component to parent component, and map operation is mainly used for is for manipulating the data which is stored over a data set array or object, which is manipulated and displayed over a HTML page based on the number of items present in it. Web questions. So HTML and CSS. So first one is what is session storage and what is local storage. So local storage is available in HTML5, that is what asking. Session storage. So session storage will be managed by the cookies. Second one is what is a password field. So a password field will print only the asterisks, and we cannot able to make the password field copy and use that passwords. So how it is designed in HTML, I need to explain. Third one is why this flux is important. So flux is a new feature available in CSS for designing the columns and rows effectively. Next one is absolute versus relative positioning. So when we are having two divs, we can put one div in another div. So based on the absolute and relative positioning, the div will behave. The second div will behave based on the first div. Next one is explain Bootstrap in detail. So the knowledge you had, all the knowledge you had in Bootstrap, you need to explain in detail here. So how you give the primary, secondary options, how you design the buttons, how you design the forms, how you give the input boxes, everything you need to explain. Last one is explain Webpack, Enzyme, Redux, and Flux. So all those knowledge they are asking. Webpack is mainly for building tools, and Redux and Flux are used along in React for component communications. Those things we need to explain here. JavaScript questions. So first one is a equal to 1, 2, 5, 99, 100. B is an empty array. So we need to sort the array on A and store the elements in the B array, but with the designing order. So you can use the loops for sorting all the elements present in the A array. After sorted, we can use the B array to push each and every elements to the B array using the A array by using a for loop like that, or is empty for loop is enough, or you can use for each also, kind of things. And second one is s equal to node is rocking, so which is splitted. So we need to make this array to a string and add space in between node and is. and is unlocking. So based on that, it will be formed as a single string. So how you will achieve that, you need to explain here. Thanks for watching our video. Subscribe to UIX Docs. Please share, like, comment, and subscribe to UIX Docs Front End Techies.